First, let's talk about concrete patios. The installation process is fairly straightforward. Contractors start by excavating the area and preparing a compacted base to support the slab. Forms are placed around the edges and the concrete is poured, leveled, and smoothed. After that, it's left to cure for several days until it becomes strong and durable. When it comes to maintenance, concrete patios are generally low maintenance. Simple cleaning and occasional sealing help protect the surface. However, over time, concrete can develop cracks due to weather or ground movement, and those cracks can be difficult to repair without leaving visible patches. One of the biggest benefits of concrete is its affordability and clean appearance. It creates a smooth, modern surface and can also be customized with stamped textures or colors. Now let's look at paver patios. The installation process is more detailed. The area is excavated, followed by a compacted gravel base and a layer of bedding sand. Individual pavers are then placed in the chosen pattern, and joint sand is brushed between them to lock everything in place. For maintenance, pavers have a big advantage. If one becomes damaged or stained, it can be removed and replaced without affecting the rest of the patio. Regular sweeping and occasional resanding help keep the surface stable. When comparing the two, concrete is usually cheaper up front, while pavers are often more durable because they handle ground movement better and are easier to repair. In terms of appearance, pavers are usually considered more elegant, thanks to the wide variety of colors, shapes, and patterns. Which option would you choose for your patio? Concrete or pavers?